In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a job at Zomato in 2026, step by step. The first thing you want to do is visit Zomato's official careers page. Zomato is now part of Eternal, which also includes other businesses like Blinkit, District, and Hyperpure. That's important because when you're looking for opportunities, you may find relevant roles not only under Zomato, but across the wider Eternal group as well. Once you're on the careers page, take time to explore the available positions. You might see openings in customer support, operations, sales, account management, marketing, data and analytics, software engineering, product or delivery partner roles. Focus on roles that genuinely match your background and career goals, rather than applying randomly. When you find a position that looks promising, read the job description carefully. Pay close attention to the required education, previous experience, location, and any technical or role-specific skills. This helps you understand whether the job is a strong fit and what the company is really looking for. Next, prepare your resume. Make sure it clearly highlights your relevant experience, skills, education, certifications, and measurable achievements. If possible, show impact with specific results. After that, customize your resume for the role you're applying to. Use keywords and phrases from the job description and place your strongest qualifications near the top so they're easy to notice. You should also build the skills that matter for your target role. For example, operations jobs may require organization, spreadsheet skills, communication, and problem solving, while technical roles may require programming, analytics, or product knowledge. Alongside that, create or update your LinkedIn profile so your experience, skills, education, and portfolio are current and professional. When you're ready, apply through the official recruitment channel. That's the safest and most reliable way to submit your application and be considered for current or future opportunities. After applying, start preparing for the interview. Practice common questions like telling them about yourself, explaining why you want to work at Zomato, describing why you're a good fit, sharing a difficult problem you solved, and explaining how you would handle an unhappy customer. Depending on the role, you may also need to complete technical, analytical, communication, or practical assessments, so be ready for that too. Before the interview, research both Zomato and Eternal. Understand their products, services, and business areas so you can speak confidently about why you want to join. Also, be careful with job scams. Only use official recruitment channels and never share sensitive financial or security information with anyone claiming they can guarantee a job. If you're interested in delivery work instead of a corporate role, there is a separate delivery partner application process with flexible working hours and weekly payments. And finally, keep applying and keep improving. If you don't get selected right away, use the experience to strengthen your resume, sharpen your interview skills, and build the qualifications you need before applying again.